know what I'm saying? Like, bro, everybody, every artist, man, every major artist done tried to sign you. You ain't signing nobody. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, it ain't nothing that you can't go get. It ain't nothing you can't go buy. He like, you blessed. You know what I'm saying? He like this Gucci man talking to me, telling me this. You know what I'm saying? He like, look what you got going on.
My bitch in the Bentley smoking more. Hey, rocks. Hey. Pocket full of mother blue guap.
I'll see you in a bit, boy. Alright, we got low tire pressure. Whatever.
How can I help you?
Alright, let me get a hot midnight mocha. Actually, make it ice.
Okay, we'll give you your total at the window.
Thank you. So, we're on our way to Visione Motorwerks. About 3 weeks ago, Paul hit me up and he was like, "What's up, buddy? How's everything?" You know, last time I seen that guy was at SEMA with the McLaren. And he's like, "Hey, Ryft has an exhaust now for the Porsche S, the 992, the same one I have." He's like, "What's up? You want to hook that up or what?" I was like, "Yeah, let me see when my schedule's clear and I'll head over there." So that day is today. I'm heading over there right now. We're gonna do a downpipe, an exhaust, a drop kit, and a tune. We're not gonna knock all of those out today, but we'll be able to see the exhaust. You know, I'm really hoping it has a cool titanium finish, you know, being that it's a Porsche and, you know, Ryft makes some really cool stuff. Really hoping it looks really nice. And we get to see some fun cars. You know, usually he has some exotics over there. Mainly it's a exotic type of shop, you know. He's had some Supras in there, things of that nature, but usually he has the turbo Lamborghinis, the Audis, the Porsches, the McLarens, things of that nature. Last time he had a GT40, one of my dream cars. You know, that'll be later on down the road. But pretty excited. I don't want to make this car stupid fast. This car makes about 650 horsepower. It's not that fast. Lots of fun to drive. You know, you smash on it and you're moving, you know what I'm saying? So it's pretty good. Pretty fun to drive. But right there we hit like 120. Handles like a motherfucker, you know. But I really want it to whistle. You know, I really want those turbos to come alive. I'm not trying to upgrade it. I could take it to another shop and make about, you know, 1,000, 1,100 horsepower, which will be nice. Maybe later on we'll do that. Not in a rush. We have other cars and trucks that make way more power. This is just a nice weekend cruiser. You can just drive it around, go to a nice dinner, go to the club maybe, and you know, things like that. And I want it to sound good. Pull up somewhere and it's whistling nice. So there's different types of exhaust, and I'm hoping this one whistles. I'm gonna ask him, maybe it's the downpipe that makes it whistle. I'm not exactly sure, but we're gonna learn together today. If you guys don't know, if you guys do know, go ahead and comment and let me know. No, bro, it's this, and that. Regardless, Paul's the expert. He'll be able to tell us right off the bat what really makes this sound is this or that. This car also needs an oil change. I'm about to hit 5,000 miles on this thing. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. Literally. And I just got this thing in March 2023, and I feel like I don't drive it a lot, but I guess I do. Or maybe the drive from my house to the shop, because it's about a 30-minute drive. So maybe back and forth whenever I do take it over there or whatever. Or when I didn't have the black Denali and I was like, damn, and I didn't want to drive the other Porsche. And there's times when it's a beautiful day and I'm like, you know what? It's the weekend, there's no traffic, whatever. I'm gonna take this car out. Driving this car in traffic, or if I have a lot of stuff to do, it's not fun because I'm always watching out where I park, this and that. And I don't like being that kind of guy that parks, you know, places you're not supposed to park. You know, there's people that actually need that parking spots. So I end up parking in the very back, and I'm scared a shopping cart might hit it.
Damn.
Or somebody's gonna open their big ass door and be careless and ding it. So that's why I hardly drive this car. And I'm sure you guys, some of y'all think the same way too. I don't know where the exit's at. We're heading over there. We're still about 20 minutes out. I'm here by myself. The rest of the guys, we're gonna meet up later on and go film. We have some exciting content coming up this week. I know we haven't been filming much. We've been busy. We've been planning stuff. It's been raining. It's been raining a lot. Here in Houston in January, it kicked off raining. So that postpones us. It doesn't allow us to film as freely as we would like. A lot of our trucks are on drag radios. A lot of showing the low tire thing too. Man, good thing I'm heading to the shop. Check tire pressure. I really shouldn't be hauling ass in this car right now. So I'm gonna just chill and drive slow. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not haul ass so much. This thing handles so good that, like, Jesus. 130 and like it just shoots straight. I have a lot of trust in this car, obviously, if I'm gonna let go of the wheel. Yes, it's stupid and everything, I know. I was just wanted to show you guys how straight it goes. Anyways, I trust the technology in this car to keep me straight. We haven't been filming as much, but we're going to, guys. Bear with us. We have some really, really fun stuff coming up. We have a really awesome car that we're picking up tomorrow. We mentioned it in the previous vlog, and it's one of my childhood dream cars. It's a badass car. Badass car. I'm really excited for you guys to see that. We're really excited for you guys to see it. We have some races already lined up for it. It's a road racing monster. Probably from a dig, it's also a monster, not on the street, but on the track. But that car is already built for a roll. It would murder, I would just say this much. Right now, the power it makes, it would murder the Porsche 992, right? This makes 640, probably to keep up with 700, 750 horsepower cars. It will murder this car. That's why I'm not such in a rush to make this one faster. But I've been talking too long. It's been about 5 minutes from what I see on the clock. Let's go. All right, guys, we're pulling up to Visione Motorwerks. Usually he has his big ass trucks up here. I don't know where the hell his F-150s are, but usually they're like parked up here. The only thing that sucks about these cars, and it doesn't suck, but coming from the truck world and cool technology and everything, it's a sports car, so it's stupid for it to have it, but it doesn't have the front camera. So like, I wouldn't say modern, and I depend on technology, because I know there's a lot of truck drivers that are like, bro, we have to back up, and you guys know it, you know what I'm saying? You guys, that's what I do for a living. Here, yeah, we drive cars and cool trucks and everything, but it's nice knowing when there's a camera up there that has sensors, but you just can't see it. So it'll tell you like you're getting close. It starts beeping, right? The cool thing is it does have a reverse cam. So you put this bitch in reverse and it shows you, but you put it in drive and there's no camera. It just tells you that you're almost there, which is all good, but it'll be cool if it had the front camera, right? In my opinion. Let's get down, let's go talk to Paul and check out this exhaust system. Like I was saying, guys, this is the last time I'm gonna hear this car like this. So it should be way louder once we pick it up. It's kind of quiet now. In a bit, I'm gonna tell Paul to rev it up so I can know what it sounds like. Right now you can hear it's kind of quiet. So once we're done with it, it should be really, really loud. Or it should be louder. What's up, bro? Long time.
That's because you travel in the world.
How you doing?
Good, man. You?
Pretty good, pretty good. Can I pull up the car in the back so we can put it inside so we can talk about it?
Hell yeah. Let me move some stuff around.
Okay,
Go
cool.
ahead and pull around. I'm going to show you.
All right, guys, like I was saying, there's always some cool stuff here. Check out the cars here at Visione Motorwerks. That's actually the first time I've seen my car on the road without me driving it, like cruising, like no one's ever driven it but me. So it actually looks pretty cool. Paul's gonna bring it inside. I want to hear the before and after of this car, you know? So we're gonna save these clips and then add them later on. Ooh, look at this thing.
She's quiet.
She's real quiet, bro.
Quiet. Can't even hear it, bro. It's a Tesla.
Yeah, right? So what I really want, I don't want too much of the rumbling, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I was thinking more of the whistle sound.
Yeah, the turbo whistle.
Yeah, exactly. Can we make that happen, or is that something?
Absolutely.
Okay,
That's
okay.
what this car's made for.
Right.
Turbo whistle, flames, and more power.
There you go.
That's what we're talking about.
Yes, sir.
So I said we're going to take it, lower it a little bit, because obviously it's kind of off-road mode just a little bit.
Yeah,
so we need to drop it, you know, to fit the look.
How low are we talking?
I think we're going to go about 1.5 inches,
Okay.
you know.
So right here, it's already dropped on the lowest setting on the car.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go like right here.
Yeah, we're gonna get it down. We don't want to see any gap.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? Like when you pull up, we don't want to see any gap. We want it sitting level. The front end's a little bit higher than the rear right now.
Right.
So we'll straighten that out. And then for the sound, we want to wake it up. We want to hear the turbo whistle. We want to see some flames when you're rolling at night and shifting gears. So we'll do the full Ryft exhaust, catless downpipes, all titanium, and do a stage 2 tune. So we'll pick up about 160, 180 horsepower.
That much?
Hell yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know it picks up. I figured like 50 horsepower,
totally
70.
Different car. Totally different car.
Shit.
Yeah, so we'll full exhaust, stage 2 tune, drop it, get it where you hear the turbo whistle every time you pull up. That's the sound you want to hear.
Exactly. I want to idle pulling up somewhere and it's whistling, you know what I'm saying? Almost like a diesel truck, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then, you know, once we get all that set right, we'll kind of decide what wheels we want to do to kind of like make it stand out.
Gotcha. And we can go 22s, 21s, we can go 21s, 20s.
21, 22, whatever we want to do.
Right.
21, 22 is kind of like the nice look. That's what most people do. It's probably what we'll end up going with since we're lowering it. But yeah, first things first, let's get this turbo whistle, the sound, and the power out of this thing.
Oh yeah. Do you have the exhaust here so we can check it out?
I do. I got to open it up. Let's check it out.
Let's go.
Well wrapped as always.
And this is Ryft also, or is it a different company?
This is Ryft.
Okay, so Ryft makes the downpipe and the exhaust.
Yeah, they make the whole thing. So
Oh, nice.
here's what we're looking at here. Here's where there used to be a cat. We got nothing.
Okay.
That's gonna bring us all the turbo whistle, the flames, the sound. That's it right there. Open the other one up.
Is any part of the exhaust visible or just the tips?
You know, like at a different stance, you'll kind of see it under the bottom.
Okay.
So you do notice it because it kind of the bottom part of it comes down, so you'll see like just a little bit of it.
Gotcha.
But you'll definitely hear it.
Right. So with the exhaust by itself, let's say I didn't go with these downpipes, it wouldn't whistle.
No.
Oh, okay. So this is what makes it.
If we just did the rear section of the exhaust, it would be a little bit louder, but we actually wouldn't get all that turbo whistle out of it, which there's no point.
This is where the magic
we want that
happens
whistle.
here. Nice.
We want that noise. We want the flames.
Yeah.
It's authentic. You know what I'm saying?
Nice.
So you got the Miami Vibe shoes on.
Yeah, right.
You done ran 15 miles this morning.
Something like that. I had the marathon this weekend.
Crazy.
Yeah. 26 miles.
You crazy, bro. Love the way they package it. Everything's protected. Nothing's damaged.
Nice.
I can hold it with one hand.
Nah, bro, you're just strong. That's why.
Nah, bro. Come on, anybody. Run a marathon and pick this up with one hand.
Yeah. Oh shit.
And here we go.
Damn.
Here we go. Set this aside.
What a shame that you can't see the whole thing.
Bro, I know. Don't worry. We get a lot of photos of it.
Yeah. That is sick. Well, we gotta put that next to the car. It almost matches the car.
The color on the outside?
Yeah.
Bro.
Wow.
That's sick.
Sick. Oh yeah.
And look at it next to the car. With the color of the car, bro.
We'll ride around without a rear bumper.
For real. Look at that.
That's sick. Oh yeah.
With the color of the car, bro. Come on now.
So that's how it goes.
Yep.
Those who don't know, the motor's over here in the back. There's nothing in the front.
Yeah, nothing in the front.
It's a rear motor.
That's your luggage space, your small luggage space. If you're going on a little trip, whatever. Motor's in the back, just like your McLaren.
Yeah.
So it's the way to go. Honestly, it helps with the power to weight ratio and everything else, and that's why these Porsches are such badass cars and perform so well. But yeah, so what you'll see a little bit of that on the bottom.
Oh, gotcha.
So you'll get that because it does stick down a little bit.
Nice.
So you'll kind of see the welds and everything right there, but they'll hear you before they see you.
Gotcha. Yeah, for sure.
Which is the whole point.
Right, man. This is so sick. This is nice.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna be. I'm excited about this one. But yeah, with that color, the blue purplish titanium coming out.
No, that's sick, man. It's gonna look real nice.
It's gonna be nasty.
Is there another bumper I can put that exposes the exhaust more? Or is that kind of like a big no-no for the 992s, you know?
I mean, I don't feel like there's a no-no.
Yeah, right?
You do some checking around.
Well, we need to talk to Ryft and tell them like, hey, bro, you make such a badass exhaust.
Ryft is working on a carbon kit, and this is gonna be one of the first ones.
Gotcha.
So they're actually making and producing parts right now. They've already gone through the full 3D printing, scanning, testing phase. They're actually producing carbon fiber kit for the 992 Turbo S.
Okay.
And yours is going to have one of the first ones on it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So by carbon fiber, what do you mean? Just the vents and the side skirts, or are we talking?
Carbon fiber, we're talking vent, side skirts, front lip. See how, you know how it doesn't have like a very aggressive?
Right.
So a carbon fiber front lip that comes out a little bit more and it's aggressive. And then on the rear, the diffuser will be it'll actually be more aggressive also. So if you notice here, like the satin black plastic,
Yeah.
it'll replace this, but it's gonna come out more and just be more aggressive looking.
Gotcha.
So it'll change the look of the car.
And the wing too, right?
Yes, and then the wing, it'll replace this wing, but as they always do, it's gonna come around a little bit more.
Also more aggressive also.
Yeah.
More sporty.
You're gonna notice it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like, hey, what, this Turbo S looks different than the rest.
Okay, nice. Hell yeah. Let's turn it on and like do some revs.
Turn it on, you wanna hear some sewing machine revs?
Yeah, sewing machine revs. Oh, it's so quiet. It's almost embarrassing.
We can't have that, it's too quiet.
That's crazy. You know, on the roll, once you're hauling ass, it sounds cool.
Yeah,
it's a different sound.
And the upper RPMs, that's the way this motor was designed, but
Yeah.
we want to hear it all the time.
Yeah, exactly. So good thing we're going with the exhaust and everything. I wanted to ask you, when I was driving over here, it was showing oil change and low tire pressure on this one right here.
Driver's front.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So can you change the oil on it?
Yeah, so it's due for its first year service. We can take care of that. We've got the computer system for the Porsche, so we can do the service, reset the service light, and you'll have all the records and everything. So if you ever trade it in, sell it, whatever, it transfers over and it's all, you know, good.
Yeah, it's all in the books, because that's what I was wondering about. Because if I ever trade it in, which later on, I'm actually, not right now, but later get a GT3 RS.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Not after this change, you probably won't want to.
Right.
You'll be like, no, I don't want to. The GT3 RS looks wicked, but it's slow.
Right, and that's why I went with this car.
After we do some things to this, you might be like, nah, bro, I'm good.
I'm good, right?
I'll keep it.
Yeah, cool. Well, that's that, guys. Next time we stop by, hopefully, how long is this gonna take? I'll pick it up tomorrow?
A few days.
No,
few
really?
Days. Yeah, a few days.
Like, you think this week or maybe sometime next week?
It'll probably be a pickup next week.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Maybe we'll pick up this one and we'll pick up the McLaren.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, there
Hell
we go.
yeah, let's do it. Thanks, brother.
Yes, sir.